Yo, what is up guys? Dave from Attacksback. Welcome back guys to a new adventure. And you guys may recognize where I possibly am. You guys... Really? 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 Sorry about that guys. Shelly is just being salty as always, but if you guys may recognize this area, we are back here at Flood Falls? Yeah, Flood Falls, because it's been quite a while actually since we've been here. And yeah, so I'm like, you know what, just for old time's sake, let's go ahead and explore this place once again. So with that being said guys, make sure you smash like on this video, hit that subscribe button. What was that, Shelly?
I said smash it!
Okay, so that being said, let's just get this adventure going. And Shelly is annoying as she, by the way, the first two times to me.
Make sure you smash like on that video.
The first two times me and Shelly actually came here, we got lost twice. I just wanted to throw that out there. Yeah, so with that being said, let's just go ahead. But this time guys, this time may be a bit different because A, because of the wind, and B, I'm gonna try to actually do 0 cuts in this video. So
the trail changes every year. The way that the waterfall comes down, because it's not from a lake, it's from snow melting, ice caps melting. So it's always an adventure here because the trail's always different. So last time we came here, I came with somebody else, not David, and we couldn't make it up to the falls because the river, like the actual waterfall, and the water was going in all different directions and you couldn't get there. So let's try it again. Okay. And also as well guys, I'm gonna actually do like 0 cuts in this video, so everything you're gonna about to see in this video is gonna be absolutely 0 cuts, like 0 editing. So with that being said guys, make sure you smash like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to leave a comment down below. So yeah, so with that being said guys, let's just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna try guys to leave this like uncut, so yeah. I mean, as you guys last remember, it was pretty much like this as well guys, like last time, but watch your feet,
yeah, so I think you guys may remember, it was pretty much, yeah, it was pretty much like this last time. So while Shelly's gone up ahead, just want to quickly show you this, but it looks like it's dried up, so I think it's possible that that there may not be any waterfall. And honestly guys, just like Shelly said, there like a lot of snow melting happening up here, and yeah. Alright, so with that being, so just like I said, make sure you smash like on the video and let's just go. But I have to say though, that's like scary pretty right there guys. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram and all that, and yeah, Shelly, you're right, the trail's a lot different from what it was.
When I was here, there was a river running all through here.
Yeah guys, look at this, it's all different now, like all this was just covered in like trees and bushes and stuff, and now look at it, it looks like a bunch of random rocks.
bunch of random rocks. I don't think there's gonna be any like floods this time. I don't think the waterfall is gonna come down this time because it looks dry as bone. So.
Oh no, the waterfall's there.
Oh, is this?
Last time we were here, there was so much water coming down that there was water all on the side of you here. Maybe we lost somebody. There was water everywhere last time, like all around us. Me and Lucas came. Me and Lucas came like about a month and a half ago, and we could only make it up so far, and then it was just all waterfall.
Oh, I see.
So the waterfall will definitely be there. In the summertime though, it dries right up. It's not even here at all. I came up here last summer after I came with you, and we get to the top and there was no waterfall there. Nothing. One little trickle.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, Shelly was telling me that. But I'm not gonna lie though, all this looks really creepy. Guys, comment down below, smash like if you think this is like really creepy. Also as well, I want to get your guys' thoughts about something as well. I've been really interested on getting a GoPro. I think if I get a GoPro, it would actually help me like give you guys better content. So say if I have to like put down my main camera just to climb over a bunch of rocks and whatever, I could just use the GoPro, strap it on my head and just go that way. So if you guys think I should get a GoPro, smash like, you know, reconsider. But I think it would look cool for videos as well, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie though, this really does look really cool. Really does look cool. Alright. So, looks like there's people coming as well. Looks like we're not alone up here. So I'm gonna have to turn off the camera for a moment. Alright, but I'll pick up the camera when we're a little bit closer. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. I think the waterfall may be there. Same thing as last time. I think it might be back. So I had to put down the camera because yeah, because like honestly there are times I had to put down the camera because I mean I don't really want people like kind of like question me like, why do you have the big camera? Why are you filming yourself talking to the camera? It's so annoying, but sometimes we have to deal with it. Other times we just put down the camera and be whatever. I like to go the easy route, just so it doesn't get strange and awkward, you know? Because sometimes shit happens constantly. So, but again, just like I said, guys, it looks like there will be a waterfall, possibly maybe there, same thing as last time, which I think that'll be cool to seeing it for sure, getting to the waterfall with the waterfall coming down for the second time. That does happen the second time, then that's crazy. Yeah, oh, speaking of that, I want to show you guys something really quick. So, as you guys see this video, I will officially be at 100 subscribers over on my third channel, As Days Vlogging. Make sure you go to that channel, subscribe, it will be in the iCard. But, yeah, that's really cool. The fact is that my third channel, a channel that I didn't really pay too much attention to, is finally starting to grow a little bit, which is really cool. But also leave the question to you guys, like, what do you guys want to see me post on that channel? Because I have videos on there already, but I want to be a little bit more creative. So yeah, so with that being said, if you guys have cool ideas of what you want me to put on that channel, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah. So it also looks like, guys, I think anyway, back to what I was saying about the waterfall. If it's there for the second time, then it's going to be really great, because you guys can see for the second time, which is sick. So yeah, it looks like we're about halfway there. And Shelly's doing, guys, the same thing that she's done last time, hiding behind trees. You know what? I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna hide behind a tree too, actually. I wonder. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna probably try to sneak up on her, guys. I'm probably gonna sneak up on her, guys, because she's trying to scare me. I'm gonna scare her. There she is, guys. The wild Shelly in her natural habitat. Guys, please make that a trend over on Instagram, Shelly in her natural habitat. If you guys make that a trend on the Instagram, Shelly in her natural habitat, make sure you screenshot Shelly and use the hashtag natural habitat over on her Instagram at shellygallop. Link to her Instagram will be in the description, as always. So yeah, actually I want to see if we can sneak up behind her. Oh man, people are really trying to reach me, but I can't. I'm making this video for you guys. God dang it. But have to admit though, this is like super pretty. But this is really cool at the same time, because you guys get an adventure at the same time. You guys can see me do all kinds of crazy fun stuff like this, like exploring and traveling. Why do I deal with her? I don't know, guys. Guys, you guys are always asking me. I don't know why I deal with her shit. Really? Really? She's just doing the captain stand. I don't know why. But it looks like we're almost there, guys. So again, just like I said in the last video, all the way down there is I mean, this is just one of those small easy hikes, you know. Again, just like I said in the last video, it's gonna be, I'm gonna put the link to this actually down in the description, so you guys can honestly come to this place and hang out and see the crazy beauty within this place, because you can't make this up. You can't make this up, guys. Like, this is 100% cool. Because I came here, when was the last time I was here, guys? If you guys remember, please let me know in the comments. But I think it was here at some point during the summer. And I think, yeah, I believe it was some point during the summer. Okay, there's a place somewhere. Yeah, so Oh shit, I see the waterfall, guys. Look at that. But yeah, if you guys do remember me coming here in the summertime, you guys would definitely know about this place. This place is well known for people just to come here and just to see all this. Just to see all this. The beauty and the sun and green and all that. Holy shit. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. That's like really cool, guys. Why did I zoom in on myself? Anyway, now I just gotta catch up to Shelly. Oh, shit. One slipping here down there, guys. Alright, let's hurry up, guys, and catch up to Shelly. Holy crap, you guys. I don't know how I'm gonna get a thumbnail for this, but it's awesome to come back here for the second time. Holy shit. Guys, look at that. I cannot put it into words. Really? Really, Shelly? Really? Can you get a picture of me? What?
What?
What? Guys, take a screenshot of that and share it on Instagram. And yeah, I'm actually gonna try, guys, to give you guys a better angle just for the thumbnail. So, holy crap. I haven't been up here yet, but this is really freaking neat. Oh my god, guys. Shellygallop. Shellygallop in her natural habitat.
I was trying to stop the rain, but the river stopped me.
And this is why she is the way she is. Oh my god, are you actually leaving? What is she doing? Shelly, don't go back there. You're gonna fall in there. Oh my god, guys. Guys, oh my god. Guys, can you imagine Shelly just falls right into the water? That would have been hilarious. Shelly, it would have been hilarious if you went behind the rock and fell in. That would have been hilarious. That would have been 1,000 views right there. That would have been 1,000,000 actually. You see, guys, you see, Shelly and I, we bully the crap out of each other constantly, but we do it out of love. You know, we bully each other out of love. We take things on content sometimes, but we do bully each other just because we want to. Ow! I've been sitting on a rock and now my butt hurts. And the guys with us is gone. Shelly is behind that rock over there.
Oh, I can see her head popping out. Wait, do you think she'll pop up, guys? Comment down below. I guess not. That's right. Fuck. Alright, you know what, guys? I'm gonna leave my bag there for a minute so I can sneak up on her. Oh shit, yeah, she can easily fall in. Okay. Okay. Stop. Where'd she go, guys? Guys, where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh, there you are. Shelly in her natural habitat. Shelly.
Yes.
Shelly in her natural habitat.
The woods on my phone.
Guys, there is a huge... Guys, do you see the danger within this? You see the danger? Do you understand why I put myself through just to give you guys some sick content? Really dangerous here. I could actually fall in and it's freezing cold. It's actually quite nippy out here, actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna... Yeah. I have to say that is a gorgeous view. Holy crap. Okay, I was zoomed in, but I was zoomed in all the way like an idiot. But yeah, look at that, guys. That's actually really scary. Like, I can easily just fall in. Like, it looks like I'm falling. It looks like I'm... Oh my god, it looks like I'm hanging off a deer. Like... Oh no, I'm actually standing on a rock.
Are you okay?
So like, from this angle, it looks like I'm hanging off a rock.
You are pretty close to hanging off a rock.
Guys, screenshot this. Tag me on Instagram at audio_Attacksback on Instagram. Okay, guys, make sure you tag me on Instagram. And why not? Tag Shelly in it as well with the hashtag Shelly in her natural habitat. That's a good one. And she's smiling at that one because she really likes that one. So that's how you guys know. But anyway, I'm gonna go for a closer look at this, guys, because this is really cool. This is super cool. Super cool. You guys may not be able to hear me because of this waterfall for obvious reasons, but okay, the third guy is with us, is throwing shit in there, but like, you seriously, guys, can't do justice. Like, holy hell. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. But eventually, oh my god, guys. Eventually, I want to get to, like, just sit on that rock for Instagram picture. Guys, if you think me sitting on that rock will be sick for Instagram pic, let me know in the comments. Because I think that would be really cool for Instagram picture. Super cool. Now, where did I put my backpack, actually? Guys, we have a problem. Where did I put my bag? Uh-oh. Where? Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Oh god. Hey, not gonna lie, guys, this is really pretty. This is very pretty. Very pretty, guys, but just being here, like, holy shit. Alright, guys. Peace out, blood balls. We are out of here.
We are out of here. Oh my god. Okay, guys.
Oh my god. Shelly! Shelly! She can't hear me because of the waterfall, you guys. Shelly! She's like looking at me kind of weird, funny, guys. I think Shelly's starting to lose it a little bit because of the waterfall. Oh, yeah, I almost got some little rock. I want to see if I can get down there, guys, so we can bug her a little bit. But I have to say, guys, this is like really cool. Like super, super cool. Recommend anyone come here. Links to everything is in the description, but I just cannot get enough of this. Like, holy shit. Oh my god. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually sneak up behind Shelly and actually scare the crap out of her, because she has been like, she's been very salty to me, so let's get her. Shelly. Shelly.
Yeah.
Did I scare you?
Yeah, but I'm right in the middle of sending a text message, so you can't like expect me to answer and reply when I'm right in the middle of texting whilst in the forest. Because we're still in service.
So I scared you on camera, and you, I don't know what mode you just went in for a minute there. I have no idea.
We're leaving. Lucas says we're leaving. So.
Okay, so we're leaving now, guys. Guys, when you're in this area, I'll put the location to this place actually down in the description, so you guys can actually come here and explore this place for yourself. Totally recommend it. So yeah, holy crap. Epic. Look at this slow poke right in front of me. Alright, but anyway guys, yeah. So if you guys do want to come here, totally recommend it. Links in the description. And yeah, links are in the description. Oh, yo guys, if you guys remember last time we were here, I think this is new. Let me know in the comments if you guys think that is new. But yeah, if you guys do want to come here, I'll leave the link to it in the description so you guys can come here. And yeah, like holy crap, like look at this, you guys. Look at this, you guys. Like, you cannot do justice to what I'm literally looking at. Like, can you imagine like something just hiding in the bushes there and be like, oh my god, this is giving me like straight up Blair Witch vibes. Yeah, like honestly, for some reason guys, this is like literally, this is what you guys are looking at right now. It's just giving me straight up Blair Witch vibes. That's creepy as hell. What? Oh, wait.
No idea where this goes.
Okay, Shelly's taking me off trail, you guys. Ow, there's thorns in here. Okay, she didn't care. The second I said, ow, there's thorns in here, she just continued walking. Yeah, guys, I have no idea where this goes. Shelly just... Can you... I wonder... No, you can't... Well, you can kind of see it. But guys, me and Shelly have never been on this trail, so I have zero ideas to... Oh my freaking god, you guys, look at this.
This has gone mad. This has got, oh my god, I completely lost the trail. Oh shit, good thing I have a water bottle, guys. Good thing I have my water bottle. I only brought one. Day 81 of no food, no water. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, I'm just playing with you. But, ow, ow. Again, guys, I'm not wearing the right shoes for these ridiculous hikes, and Shelly is giving me the slowpoke sign, like she's just doing. Oh my god, I just tripped over a rock. Ow, that kind of hurt actually. But guys, come on, we are audio squads. We're a very tough. Like, guys, if you guys are not an audio squad, what are you doing? Subscribe, hit that bell, and turn that notification bell. If you don't, you guys would miss the craziest videos like this. I have no idea where the hell we are. Am I scared? Kind of. Nah, you know what? No, I'm not scared, guys. We are savages. We are crazy. We are. Yeah. Okay, on a real note though, I never been on this trail, low-key, so I have no idea where we are. I might have to take off my hoodie at one point, guys, because I am starting to sweat a little bit. Oh crap. What the hell is this thing doing here? And oh god. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna take off my hoodie. 1 second, you guys. Okay, guys, I had to take off my hoodie because I was sweating a little bit. But like honestly, this is actually kind of freaking me out because like while I was like over there, like just taking off my hoodie, I could have swore I heard something like in the bushes, and I'm completely alone. Like Shelly is somewhere way down there. I'm somewhere. I actually have no idea where the hell I am. So, oh crap. You know, honestly, another thing too, you guys are always asking me in the DMs to actually like carry like a pocket knife just for protection, and honestly I think that may be a good idea, but I have to admit though, this is beautiful. Like with the sun glaring through it, I just think that is beautiful. But okay, so there's Shelly over there. But yeah, guys, can you imagine like something chasing me on this trail like in the middle of the dark, like that? You know, honestly guys, if I did have my license, I would probably come here alone and spend the entire night here, because I think it would be really cool. I think it would be really cool, because giving you guys like more of the crazy content, but again we're living on the edge. Crap, my backpack strap isn't working. Oh well, screw it. But anyway, let's catch up with Shelly and the others, guys. So what I'm gonna do for this video, just in case you guys may be wondering, I'm just gonna go completely like uncut, which means like zero cut, so everything you guys are getting in the videos are pretty much like legit. And yeah, so if you guys think that's a cool idea, let me know in the comments. Yeah, holy crap. Okay, where's Shelly gone? Oh, there she is. Oh, wait a minute, hold on, I see the parking lot just up dead ahead. So I'm assuming this was just a bit of a much longer, just a little mile hike just to get back to the car. I mean, that's why I believe what it was. Yeah, holy crap. You know, guys, this is why I go out and just give you guys like these types of content, because you never know what's happening unless you go out and just film it for yourself. You know, you never know. That's why I always recommend just do it. You know, just do it. So I think we're back in the parking lot now. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do my outro now. And there's a truck up ahead. I don't know why. That's kind of freaky. But yeah. So all right. I'll see you guys when we're just about out of here. Okay. So the trail, guys, we just completely took us to a complete different spot. Like, I don't even know. Like,
I bet you this is where all that water runs to. When the water comes down, it runs down.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I gotta admit, guys, this is a really neat trail. This is a very, very neat little trail. Okay, guys, so it looks like me and Shelly and the guys with us is actually going to be walking down this little ditch area, I guess you can say it is. But I have to admit, it is super creepy. I'm not gonna lie, it's like for a little weird area, yeah, it really is creepy. Shelly's starting to regret not bringing her water bottle. I mean, I can see it, but I can tell by just looking at her. So that's why I always carry a water bottle when you guys are on these insane adventures. So yeah. Oh my god, you guys. Look at that. That is okay, that's totally giving me like the It movie vibes. But yeah, this is a cool little trail. A cool little trail. So I think so the trail we took is what I'm assuming. Let's flip my screen here. So I'm assuming the trail that we took basically took us to a like a dirt road type of area. Basically, I mean, look at this. It's just all sand and plants and trees, and it's really irritating. Like, look at that. That is beyond creepy. But anyway, as what I was saying, that trail that Shelly kind of guided me to take would actually take us on a bit of an extra mile kind of hike, so we would probably come out somewhere way down there. And I'm guessing the trail past where we came out of it probably would have taken us a little further down the road from where Charlie originally parked. And yeah, so I mean, I am not gonna lie, it is really creepy. Like, look at that. That's like complete creepiness. But yeah, so I guess when we get to the car, I mean, honestly, I'm just gonna leave this part of the video uncut because I'm trying to be straightforward with you guys. You know, I'm trying to bring you guys along the adventures. So yeah, it looks like, but it does actually look super creepy. I mean, look at that. If people want to walk in this area, I guess it's a free country, I guess, but in my opinion, it's like really creepy. But I wouldn't recommend coming here. I wouldn't. But it does look really neat. I wish I had better shoes for it because I have a little bit of sand going into my shoe as we speak, but oh crap. Oh god. Oh my god, guys, like why is there a tire here? Why is there a tire here?
Like that burnt up motorhome we saw when we were at Chilliwack Lake Road. Remember? Now we see a tire.
Oh, are you talking about like earlier today or a while ago?
The last time we went out, we're not at Chilliwack Lake today. Remember last time we went out and there was that burnt up.
Oh yeah, that's right, guys. If you guys remember a vlog,
Video posted.
if you guys remember the vlog with Shelly in it, there was a car completely wrecked. Like Shelly and I, like when we saw that, I mean, I put it as a disclaimer in the description of that video, but Shelly and I had no idea it was there. We didn't see it coming in, but we saw it coming out, which was the really most bizarre thing of all time. And yeah, just thought might as well throw that disclaimer there. But yeah, so I mean, I just thought it was really weird. Because again, like I just said in that video, Shelly and I had no idea. We didn't see that car going in. We saw the car going out, but we did not see it go in. And I just believe that it was a little weird. So yeah. Oh my god, you guys. But anyway, besides that, look at this. Oh my god. Not the wild Shelly in her natural habitat, but
This is all the runoff from the mountain.
what is it?
Like all the runoff from when all the ice melts and all the snow melts and all.
Oh yeah, and it ends up down here. So where exactly are we? Okay, looks like she does not want to answer that, you guys. So it looks like we have to go, I think we have to go through a tunnel. And there is a tunnel just up ahead, you guys. Guys, make sure you guys are 100% living it up, because look exactly where I am. Like, I just can't make this shit up. Yeah, Shelly's like really worried about me because of these.
Everywhere. What? Hey, David, be really careful that you step on your
Yeah, I noticed. So like there's like big logs, so guys have to be careful where I step because of it. So yeah. So yeah, guys, like look at this. I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up, guys. Holy crap, you guys. Holy crap. Okay, I just don't want to like grab like a thorn bush because I'm not wearing gloves. I mean, I have gloves in my bag, but I'm not gonna grab them. They're not made for. Ow! Ow! That hurt. Ow! 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 Thorn bush! Ow! Okay, so we're back right where we started. All right, so guys, that was a interesting hike. I did go right into a thorn bush a little bit for a split second, but I'm fine.
Good adventure on the way back. Thanks, Lucas.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, we left the coffee cup actually in the forest, so I'm going off on my own to find it. But yeah, make sure you guys smash like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time with a brand new video. Love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. And guys, again, make sure Make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. Links to everything is down in the description. Love you guys. Bye. And make sure you smash like on this video, because this video was a little hectic. It was a little crazy, so yeah. Love you guys. I'll see you next one.